Young children in Massachusetts will be able to receive a COVID vaccine as soon as tomorrow.
Yeah, Governor Charlie Baker making that announcement over the weekend after the CDC signed off on shots for kids as young as 6 months old. 12 News reporter Kayla Fish tracking the latest for us now. She joins us live in studio with what she's learned. Hey, Kayla.
Hey, good morning, Erica and Danielle. Well, until now, children under 5 were the only age group that wasn't eligible for a COVID vaccine, but that changed over the weekend when the CDC approved shots for infants, toddlers, and preschoolers. Now in Massachusetts, Governor Charlie Baker says young kids can start getting those shots tomorrow, with about 400 locations to offer them. The CDC signed off on 2 different COVID vaccines for emergency use. They include Pfizer's 3-dose shot for kids 6 months to 4 years old and Moderna's 2-dose regimen for kids 6 months through 5 years old. Now, both of those vaccines are a fraction of the strength given to adults. Parents in Massachusetts can call their child's pediatrician for an appointment. You can also make an appointment through the state's VaxFinder website. Now, on CBS's Face the Nation over the weekend, former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb said he expects this rollout for this age group to be a bit slower, in part because people need to be specially trained to vaccinate a younger child. Here's what else he had to say.
It's continued to concern me that we haven't seen a lot of uptake among children generally. Only about 30% of kids ages 5 to 11 have been vaccinated with 2 doses. That's lower than what the initial estimates are. Right now, there are surveys showing that about 20% of parents plan to vaccinate children under the age of 5. I suspect it may end up being lower than that. I think as prevalence declines going into the summer, a lot of parents may choose to take a wait-and-see attitude and reconsider this in the fall.
All right, now in Rhode Island, health officials tell 12 News that vaccines for kids in this age group won't start until later this month. We'll break down that timeline coming up in the next half hour. For now, live in studio, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.
All right, looking ahead to tomorrow when kids under 5 in Massachusetts can start getting vaccinated against COVID-19.
Yeah, so the CDC gave the green light to shots for this age group over the past weekend. Kayla Fish is with us in studio. She has a closer look at when vaccines for younger children will start in Rhode Island.
Well, Department of Health officials here in the Ocean State say they've ordered tens of thousands of doses for this age group, and those are expected to arrive sometime this week. So as for when shots could start going into arms, that's expected to begin next week here in Rhode Island. Now, across the border in Massachusetts, Governor Charlie Baker says kids ages 6 months to 5 years old can start getting the shots tomorrow. The CDC approved COVID vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna for emergency use for this age group over the weekend, opening the door for roughly 18 million kids across the country to get the shots. But it remains to be seen how many will ultimately get the vaccines. Data shows less than a third of kids ages 5 to 11 have gotten the COVID shot, and it became available to them back in November. Health officials say while COVID has been the most dangerous for older adults, younger children can also get very sick.
I think over time we're going to see more kids get vaccinated, but this is a serious disease in children. More than 1,000 kids have died, about 440 under the age of 4. We've seen, as you said, tens of thousands of hospitalizations in this age segment. And this isn't a benign illness in a lot of kids, healthy kids as well as kids with a lot of comorbid illness. And we're still seeing tens of thousands of hospitalizations every week in that pediatric age segment.
Now, U.S. health officials say most of the vaccines for this population group are expected to be given out at pediatricians' offices and primary care providers, with some drugstores to begin offering them as well. Parents in Massachusetts, for example, can call their child's doctor to make an appointment, or you can sign up through the state's VaxFinder website. Live in studio this morning, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.